18 private jet landed in Jamaica, according to the Jamaican.
Boy, people, me not normally do them video, you know. Me not normally do them video, but in a...
She said, plane in the sky so much. Me say, yeah, them come on Freedom Street. I wait for...
One thing I want to tell the people them out at airport. I want to better build some more runway. Because I said that...
I want to make sure to prepare for God Freedom Street. Go celebrate God works.
So my people, today in this upload, Vybz Kartel create history by doing this.
18 private jet landed in Jamaica, according to the Jamaican.
One thing I want to tell the people them out at airport. I want to better build some more runway. Because I said that...
Vybz Kartel did tell them, you know. So people, no joke about it. This is serious. A whole heap of international artists fly down, viewers and subscribers to attend Vybz Kartel Freedom Street concert show tonight, viewers and subscribers. Artists like Busta Rhymes, artists like Shatta Whale, artists like Drake, viewers, and many more, because I think even Nicki Minaj is here, you know. So what me I go do, me I go show you some clips of what the fans them a say about Vybz Kartel Freedom Street concert show tonight, viewers and subscribers. Because as I tell you now, Vybz Kartel create history by doing this, viewers and subscribers. Make 18 private jet land in Jamaica. People, which big artists ever do that before? Somebody just leave it in the comment section and let me know, because people, me I go leave you with some clips of what the fans them a say about Vybz Kartel Freedom Street concert show.
Yo, alien a prison, me a make millions, me a talk about US dollar nigga. How about a big sound?
I want to make sure to prepare for God Freedom Street. Go celebrate God works. Kartel used to say devil before him going to prison. Let me tell you no more. Hold up! Me and the done. For me set the whole plan. No man no better than the done. 48 the last boss said don't try go around the master. For me and the grandmaster. Listen to me. When him going to prison, him name Daddy Devil. When him come out, when him say God is the... When him say God is the... You have to learn to earn. At least him learn. When you go through your struggles, you have to take it as a lesson and a blessing.
No, tomorrow night a mad thing. Come out early, you know it's an early show. All my fans, I like tight pussy girl, gangster, they don't know. Safe journey to the show, safe journey home after the show. Fun, big time, gold.
So yes, my people, that was Bounty Killer bigging up Vybz Kartel, you know. And also Movada wishing his fans to turn out to Vybz Kartel Freedom Street show, you know. No joke about it. People as you know hear where Movada say it now go normal. So viewers and subscribers, this is a great look, you know. Vybz Kartel get support from the whole entire world. No joke about it. I guess why he's named the world boss. Don't people. So make we get into more of the clips.
Yo, alien a prison, me a make millions, me a talk about US dollar nigga. How about a big sound?
Yo, somebody just called from Jamaica. Hear them. Kevin, you remember the other day all them they have the drone them in the sky in America? Me say yeah. Happy a drone there in the sky out here. Me I say what you mean pay a drone. She said if me show you, remember me I show you. Girl turn on all the video and me say a plane. A plane. She said plane in the sky so much. Me say yeah, them come on Freedom Street. I wait for land. So she said, so what? The stoplight can't change from red to green. Me say right now, me not think so. Some of them people are gonna start the new year in the plane up there because uno can't land. Jamaica not have space. Finland uno are too much uno. Come to Jamaica about now. Go to Freedom Street. Hey, Kartel, you load up the sky in a youth. Vibes Cartel. No boy can't tell me nothing. Me not think nobody ever load up the sky as much as Vibes Cartel. Vibes Cartel have the sky look like one stoplight they up there. You understand? One big traffic with plane. I never see so much plane in a sky in a me whole life in a Jamaica. The one do man show me, it really look like drone, but not a drone. A plane, mama. A plane. Mama say, Kevin, you remember how the drone them did in the sky in America where they happy a drone, me see. Cause you know how the plane them have the look red light and the blue light and the drone them they have the same light. So the woman could have kill her dead a drone. A plane in the sky. Right now, me don't know how someone I go eat tonight or sleep tonight, you know, cause no hotel no in the sky. But you know, I've got to find some airspace or something, cause guess what? Someone I go start the new year in the sky. You better find one the walk with a binoculars because you maybe have to go watch Freedom Street from the air because you can't land. Yo, me didn't have a ticket for Freedom Street. I'm going to sell it right now because I can't go to Jamaica. No more flights. The flight them book out. I stand by them put me on. Me nah go to airport. None of make sense. Them put me on standby when I have my good ticket. First class. And you put me on standby. You out of order. More want my money back. More want my money back, JetBlue. Yeah, I can't go to Freedom Street. Everybody forgive me my money back. You understand? But mama, and a drone in the sky again. A plane. Vibes Cartel load up the sky.
One thing I want to tell the people them out at the airport. I want to better build some more runway. Because I said that.
So yes, my people, that was a video from one Kevin over on TikTok. You know, people who want to say about what I say. Want to agree with him or disagree with him, just let me know in the comment section. Because at the first me I hear about air traffic. Me hear say plane in the air and one land and cannot land, viewers and subscribers. The plane them have to just stay in line like it is a traffic up there. No joke about it. Yo, Vibes Cartel, great. No joke about it. Vibes Cartel, big up yourself. No joke about it. Viewers, what do you think about it? When you feel say a true or a lie? Because this can't be a lie. It's all on the observer. So people, what me I gonna do?
18 private jet landed in Jamaica, according to the Jamaican.
I'm going to leave on with some more clips of fans talking about the 18 private jet that land in Jamaica for Vibes Cartel Freedom Street concert viewers. And as I said, this create history, you know, no joke about it. I don't think no other artist ever do this before. So people, if you don't know, just let me know in the comment section because I'm going to leave on with the videos them know. So you say if you're new to the channel and just watch the show for the first time and subscribe now. Thanks for the support. Click up the like button, share up the video. It's me on a boy in the media TV people. Stay tuned for more content. Me soon in the comment section. I'm out.
Get a D in your city, that's a couple million US dollars and it cannot fit in your belly. The DJ them whenever
18 private jet landed in Jamaica, according to the Jamaican Observer. One man made December change forever. And Sting, promoter of Sting, you miss out on that? 18 private jet landed in Jamaica. Vibes Cartel, one singer made 18 private jet landed in December. And Sting, promoters, have you missed out on that? And make traffic control back up in Jamaica. Vibes Cartel, Freedom Street, December is lit. Game changer. One man change December. One man made traffic control back up. Plane after plane after plane. Imagine Monday. Imagine Sunday. That was last week. 18 private jet landed in Jamaica. Vibes Cartel, Freedom Street, December is lit. And Sting, you miss out on that. 18, one man.
Boy, people, me not normally do them video, you know. Me not normally do them video, but in a real life, me have to come and talk, brother, cause me I see some things that go on the internet, brother. And me not talk about nothing as a less of music. You see me? Me not go talk about anything, you know. But cause me love music, you know. And me is a fan of music. Me love music. Me love music. Yeah, me love music. And boy, me see some things that go on pan TikTok, there, brother. And a history. History, brother. And you're not supposed to know already. I work cast them bag of history upon TikTok. And nobody else can do it. Nobody else can do it, you know. You're not supposed to know who cast them bag of history upon TikTok, because nobody else can do it. When you guess and tell me. I go in some seconds. Guess and tell me who cast them bag of history upon TikTok. No cartel. Who great like cartel? You tell me which pussy great like cartel. You hear what they say? 18 private jet fly down for cartel show. Kingston Hotel and ram up full up. Plane down to the airport like a taxi park up in a people and place line. So like a taxi, me say me can't believe 18 private jet. Who else will never know do there something in a history of dancehall? Brother, no sister cartel the power next level. Oh no, sister cartel the power next. Brother, me the African talk about this car from me born until now. Me never see nothing like this. Me see biggest and the biggest set of show then keep. Me see biggest and the biggest set of artists and perform at Jamaica. Me never see nobody do a cartel doing the history of dancehall music. Me never see nobody do a cartel do, brother. Brother, me respect cartel down to the ground when I walk pan, brother. And not only just music alone, brother, me respect them man. They see them, brother, cause them man, they are fighter. Them man, they are fighter. Them man, they motivator and tell us a youth, no matter where you go through, get up. Full up with resilience and determination. Fight, youth. Fight. No matter where you go through, brother. And this is not just come thing, because the idea we've been a listen cartel music for our youth growing come up, we listen them man, the music. For we are you grew up, come up with band, come and hear cartel music and play. So we just did that for just join and listen. And we are 90s youth. We are not 2000 youth, we are 90s youth. So you must know what we are talking about. The band come listen to them and the music and come growing and come up. Brother, the man great, bro. The man great. The man great, bro. I'm not nobody can tell me say actually a long time cartel they are prison. Because Buju Banton they are prison for much in years and come out and keep in they never do that. Too much in big show keep at Jamaica, much in big artists come at Jamaica. None of them never do a cartel too. Brother, Andrew Wallace to meet cartel and go share cartel and me say Andrew Wallace meet cartel in person and share cartel and cartel do one different thing for culture, dancehall music on another level. All who say them a king, all who say them run dancehall music, all who say them are biggest, none of them not depend on cartel level. None of them not depend on cartel level. Cartel depend on another level to himself. Brother, when you think cartel is normal, man, brother, if you go check back the man posters, the posters for show and listen and look on the posters how the man line up the artist them on the posters, and when you look at say Chronicle or Hulk, and when you look at say brother, you just go look on the posters and see how the man aligning posters, and if you saw me as on see brother, the man mind not there, so the man brain the man a alien, brother. Brother, the man do everything different, bro. Not even the man posters them not normal. If you go look back on the posters, them the posters they align with history. Who have sense and know me at all about Brown, no joke thing me I tell you. And more than one posters, if you check the posters them, brother, when you saw me at all about with Chronicle, Tamili, Vanessa, and the whole of them, brother, cartel upon a different level, bro. Mr. Andrew Wallace needs to go share cartel and Andrew Wallace needs to go share cartel and brother, all on there come some bad mind people can talk about the man take it, the two there and the man, it worth it. It worth it. It worth it. Brother, the man make plane line up out of airport like a taxi. They say air traffic cars in the sky. First me ever hear this in my life. Say air traffic and a Jamaica and I want somebody cars and a cartel, brother. Brother, respect to the man, bro. Respect to the man, brother, because the man done so much, brother. Everything we cartel, like the man deserve it. every single thing where this brother I get the man deserve it, brother. Because the man never fall under pressure. Enough boy drop a jail and prison, them bow out, them grounds out, them last. Enough of them can't even focus under pressure. Enough of them can't even focus under pressure. And cartel focus under pressure and bin dropping it song, thousands of it song. You remember bet me money, you remember right till the bicycle broke off. All of them catalogue it song there. Yo, cartel deserving Grammy. The man deserving Grammy, bro. You me say Andrew Wallace for me cartel and shake you in person, brother. The man have done so weird, brother. Cartel depend on another level, bad man. Me have to give man influence, brother. Me have to give the brother influence, brother. Respect to cartel, bad man. No joke, no capping. The man depend on another level, brother. Respect, dog.
One thing I want to tell the people them out at the airport. I want to better build some more runway. Because I said that show ya. I think the venue will about 50 to 100,000 people. I mean, I tell you, say, when the venue full with 100,000 people, me know say 100,000 people are go outside. I mean, I talk to them outside, I talk straight.
Ready? Again. And then you have followed the second verse. This is moving in a one in the kick down. Greasing, so we're ready for this. Get the money, this is ready and it and the match like Marlon. 5 minutes for you. Where you come from and where you want to go. We take for your virginity. We take for your virginity. I tell you, the first time you know what you know. But if I'm getting to know that see her, I said, 5 pound, we can't hear that. I tell you, where you go, you get the bicycle and you like it. You get the bicycle. Hey, listen to me. We need a family. We'll go easy. Can't come breathe.
Greatest team assemble. It's like the Avengers. This
Man, then you have been invited once before that. Most men love me so, they kiss them on me so. Some say all the sexy so.